TH stock is in a strong bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bearishly lower. And as of the 13th of March, we had a couple of projections, which is right around where it is right now, 11.57, 11.75. So it's just coming in now, even though there were attempts to get to those sort of levels, but it's just of late that it's getting there. I think if you like, in the very short term, the trend is quite a bullish one. Even though the extrapolation is that we are not really going to see a lot of, it's not going to be really good for the whole of May. It's not extrapolating strength at all. We have that we're going to see a deceleration all the way towards, a plunge all the way down to the lows of around 9.25. But there's no guarantee that that will be the case. This is just extrapolation. So if you didn't know what the company does, let's see now. The company is it delivers software robots that emulate human actions with precision and speed for organizations to automate repetitive tasks. It's platforms embedded AI, ML, and NLP capabilities improve decision and information processing, allows users to design and combine UI automations, API integrations, and AI-based document understanding in a single workflow, multi-tenant platform enterprise deployment, and with security and governance and automation cloud, which allows rapid automation without infrastructure overhead and intuitive interaction and low-code drag and drop functionality. Okay, so that's in a nutshell what the company does. So, but regardless of this bearish extrapolation, we have a couple of upper projections. Some of them are downward. I mean, extrapolations we have here are upwards. We have 11.96, 12.67, 13.1. You know, and we can quickly have a look and see. Just have a look at the previous upper projections that are currently not in play now, including this upper projection. Actually, let's have a look at this upper projection of 13.11. Which, if we have a look over here, this is where the moving averages are. The moving averages are key to determining what the probabilities are. So the probability of obtaining of it retesting 13.11 looks good. We can see all the moving averages there. The 10-day moving average is 14.25. 21-day moving average is 14.3. 40-day moving average is 13.78. 200-day moving average is 13.41. All of them are all higher than 13.11. So by the time you begin to add and by the time by the time you attempt to, or that if you want to determine, all of these will give you probabilities that are higher than 50%. So the probability of it printing 13.11 is most certainly higher than 50%. So we can even have a look at this projection here of 14.29, not in play at the moment, but in play at a small discount to this, I would say 52-week high of 15.5. So let's have a look and see as well, see what the moving averages give us. Okay, we have 14.48. Okay, it's a mix of things. In the very short term, since we have a 10-day moving average that is higher, also going to have we're going to have a probability of it retesting 14.48, 14.28 in the, at least within, based on its 10-day moving average, it is more than 50%. But for the other ones, it's less than 50%, but still strong, still strong. So I think it makes sense. The higher it goes, the less the probability, the weaker the probability. So this is how things stack up. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart and see what we have there. On the 4-hour chart, okay, things are looking a lot better. Well, yeah, slightly better, even though the extrapolation is that we're going to see some weakness by tomorrow, the 29th of April, and after that, things might improve. Things might improve. But overall, it's I think the extrapolation is still, the trajectory is still, if you like, Um, well, for some a decent amount, at least, well, if you like, up till the 2nd of May. This is the 4 hour chart, so it's not it doesn't go that far off. So still things are looking positive in terms of extrapolation. But bear in mind that these are just extrapolations. There's no guarantee that they will happen. There's no guarantee that they will happen. So in the very short term, up till Monday the 2nd of May, yeah, isn't it? Yeah, Friday the 2nd of May next week, things are looking this week things are looking good. And things can always change. This is not everything. Doesn't tell you it's not the future. It's just you have to. It just attempts to simulate what could possibly happen based on the available data and the news and all that stuff, the broader market issues. So this also note that the stock that is affected by the tariffs and the news that DeepSeek has been able to come up with a distillate that is working. So, but also I failed to also point out this news concerning the stock. Let's see now. Here we have that. Let's see here. It's saying here that the company and Redis are built on existing collaboration to deliver agentic automation to enterprise via online premise solutions. This is the same thing that Nvidia and Cisco are talking about. They are talking about agentic AI. They're talking about enterprise AI. This is the next phase. We are going into inferencing phase where enterprises will be using the trained and yet to be trained models to get real world things done, get solutions done that is very much relevant to their own needs. That is where the money is. That is where the efficiency is expected to be derived from. And you can see that the company is talking about these sort of things. So fundamentals sound good. They really sound good. So don't lose hope on this bearish extrapolation. Things are looking good. So I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.